Don't forget, tomorrow is Veterans Day. So we like to salute all those current and past.
Hey, volunteering to keeping this world safe of ours.
Hey, what's happening, Thicker Heads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get to the video started, you already know, don't smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So in this video, we got that what? That weekly heat, baby.
Yes,
That
sir.
weekly heat.
Mm-hmm.
So these are the shoes that are coming out from 10 November to 16 November. I'm gonna go ahead and start us off. So on November the 11th, Veterans Day, starting off with the hot and heavy shoe, the Jordan 11 Bread. This is for the women's. This does come at a high retail price of $230. Jordan
Mm.
Brand has raised the price of the Jordan 11s again by $5. But overall, I think this is one of the cleanest pairs of shoes that has came out. As you know, they have been doing these velvet colorways for the women. However, I think they have been performing on the retail. You know, we have seen the all burgundy bread 11s. And then we also had the navies come out last year. And now this reiteration here is takes on the OG style that these were actually called the playoffs back in the day when they first came out. And now we just call them the breads. It does feature pretty much black velvet throughout. Instead of having that patent leather that we're accustomed of seeing, it is velvet as in that nylon ballistic military mesh that we normally see at the top is actually velvet as well. The midsole they did keep the same in that white midsole throughout. Just look around to the back. We do see that Jordan plastic Jumpman Jordan, even though it does look metallic, has been confirmed that it is plastic looking metal in red in color. I do like the touch of red. It does make the shoe pop. Also, we have that 23 branding on the back. And again, this is not like all the other previous Jordan 23s where the back is real smooth. This one does have some texture where it makes it seem like it's kind of like more 3D, but you can also feel the textures when you run your hand across. Looking at the bottom of the sole, do they see that standard bread outsole with that red, those black pods at the front and back? Now this translucent sole is a little bit lighter than normal. We can see that black Jumpman protruding through the sole. It does have that hit of carbon fiber. That's how you can check to ensure that your shoe is real and not a fake. One of the telltale signs of the fakes. Looking at the front of the toe box, going up is all black. We do see that standard Jordan 11 branding where it says Jordan across a little Jumpman. So overall, this is a clean shoe. I will be rocking these as far as the colorway. I heard that they really look nice in the hand. However, I will not be going for these because of the high retail price, because there are some other shoes that I want to get this month. So like I told y'all before, can't be buying every shoe anymore. So let me know down in the comments. Are you rocking these, dropping these? What do you think about these, my brother?
The 11s. I mean, it's a nice colorway. That price point. I mean, I agree with my brother that it's ridiculous what Jordan Brand is going with this, especially when getting close to the end of the year. You would think that you guys would put thought behind that price point, being a female shoe. I'm really liking the red, how they, played the red in the shoe. It makes the shoe stand out some. I'm liking that braille print on the back, just rubbing your hands across it. You can really just feel that texture. So I will be rocking those. I will be rocking those. So nice work there, Jordan Brand, but we need to do better with the price point. Drop us a comment down below if you agree or disagree, but that price point is getting too ridiculous, Jordan Brand.
Yes, sir. What we got next, my brother?
So on November the 16th, we do have the Jordan Jackman Jack. This is a collab with Travis Scott. For those who didn't know, there's 5 colorways out there that the Man Jack has done so far. You got the Sail, you got the University Red, you got the Cream, and then you got the Black and Blue, and then now you got that Mocha, right? I'm really liking this shoe. A price point of 200 is a little steep for me, but the Jumpman Jack has been doing phenomenal, this year. So I can see that price point being a solid price point. That Mocha with fall months, I think you guys hit a home run with that because you know me, I'm all about the shoes for the fits, and it's all about the outfits for me. And this shoe right here speaks that. right? I like the color blocking that they did, how they twisted that somewhat. I'm loving they kept the closer strap over the toe box. I really like that. I like how they just round the shoe off with that midnight black. That right there, the suede and the black, that right there just speaks volumes to me for its style, right? This is a nice clean shoe. I will be rocking those. We'll be rocking those. Drop us a comment down below if you rocking those or dropping those. What about you, my brother?
Well, this is a drop for me for two reasons. That price point at $200. This is a trainer shoe. They shouldn't be that high. I think at the most this shoe should be like 160. Then also, I'm hearing a lot of people say that these shoes ain't comfortable. So, top of not being comfortable, I can't rock those. Definitely can't rock those. So, let me know down in the comments your thoughts and opinions, sneakerheads. But again, this shoe is coming out on Travis' website on November 13th. And then it's supposed to be releasing at a wider release on November 16th on the Nike Sneakers app. However, as of this recording, they have not been loaded up on the Sneakers app. So stay tuned for that. So moving on to the last shoe of the week. In my opinion, the most fire shoe of this week is the Jordan 4 Fear. This is dropping on November 16th. This will be coming in full family sizes. Men's size will start off at 215. Grade school will start off at 160. Little kids will start off at $100. Toddlers and infants at $85. So you and your whole family and y'all can be matching, going to the mall or going wherever y'all go. This shoe has been retroed in a long time. This is the second time it's releasing. I'm hearing that the quality is not that good on this second retro. But what's new with Jordan Brand? They want to raise the prices, but quality is still going down. But overall, this is the clean shoe, in my opinion. It does feature, like, in my opinion, like a gradient raid, the way I look at the shoe, because it kind of starts off at the bottom like a white midsole. And then around the toe box, do have a light gray around the toe box. And then right in the middle, where the top of the toe box is, we see a gray and a little bit darker in color. Then to finish it off at the top, we do have that black. One thing I don't really like is that white sock liner. I can see that getting dirty, especially in the winter months. I do like the honeycombs and white that makes the shoe pop and brings back the white from the bottom. But overall, this is a clean shoe, in my opinion. Now at the bottom as well, we do see that speckled paint job, which I think really makes the shoe pop. Again, this is another similar color, black and white. You look at the back, we see that white Jordan Jumpman in white to make the shoe pop. Overall, they did a clean job on this shoe. Looking at the bottom of the outsole, we do see that white outsole in those black pods with the white Air Jordan Jumpman. I can see the bottom of the shoe getting very dirty, so I would recommend you getting some drip grip or some type of clear protection to save the bottom of your shoes. It does come in a special box, like the OG style. So let us know down in the comments, heads, are you going to be rocking these or dropping these? But as for me, I will be rocking these. How about you, my brother? What do you think about these?
You know what? I'm loving these. I'm loving these. I agree with you on that price point, right? Is getting, out of hand, Jordan Brand. But I'm really liking them. I like the honeycomb, how they incorporated that with the color scheme, and I just like the shoe, like it from the toe box to the Jumpman on the back. It like how it fades into it. I'm really liking that. And I applaud Jordan Brand with this shoe, right? I do agree with you with the sock liner. Jordan Brand, not white. You got come on, drop us a comment down below, guys. If you agree with me, you got to get away from that. You got to get away from the white sock liners. You got to get away from that, right? Because, no, I can see why not gray?
Yes,
why not play a gray there? I get not black because, black on black, but no, why not a gray?
Gray.
Yeah, light gray. There you go. So all behind that sock liner. But once the sock liner is scuffed or it looks dingy, hey, my brother agreed with me there.
Right.
The shoe don't even feel the same.
Oh,
it don't even feel the same. And if you don't know what you're doing, you can't even clean it right? If you don't know what you're doing, so put some thought behind them sock liners. Overall, I will be rocking those. Hey, drop us a comment down below if you're rocking those or dropping those. Hey, and if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
Like we see for sure, and you're blessed.
Bless others.